Okay, so another things that we have to clarify. Ano na ang agency niyo po sa Dubai? Saan po ang office location? Thank you. So, yes, I was originally hired from Dubai directly. And meron talaga akong agency na hinar na nakabase sa Dubai at the beginning sa first application ko kasi I have to do 2 application bago makapunta sa Canada. So yung first application ko is through an agency that is based in Dubai. But sadly, walang nangyari dun sa application ko. But I have to pay the full amount of the application process, which is around 7,500 dirhams. Pero hindi sila nakahanap ng employer, hindi nag-go through yung application ko through express entry. So nothing. So I have to withdraw the application kasi the IRCC ng Canada will not allow you to process another application kapag meron kang existing application. So I have to withdraw my application dun sa una kong agency na nakabase sa Dubai. And then I hired another agency na nakabase sa Alberta, Canada. At sila yung nakatulong sa akin para makarating sa Canada. Sila yung naghanap ng employer, sila yung nag-process ng mga papers, documents, biometrics, medical, everything. And I was referred by a friend na nandito na sa Canada, dito sa agency na to. Kasi ito yung agency na to yung nakatulong sa kanya para makapunta. So since walang nangyari dun sa unang agency na binayaran ko sa Dubai, I was skeptical at the beginning na magbayad na naman ng another agency. But since it is a referral agency by a trusted friend na nakarating na talaga dito sa Canada, so I took the risk. And fortunately, yung second time na nag-apply ako is nag-go through naman siya at nag-push through yung application. So, you can send me a private message kung gusto nyong malaman yung agency na naka-base sa Canada, Alberta, Canada, and I can, send you a referral as well kung gusto nyo talaga mag-pass. But I don't know what kind of industry or position they are currently hiring right now. But I'm sure that yung mga healthcare professionals are always in demand here in Canada. So if you have any experiences in healthcare, like doctors, dentists, pharmacists, nurses, at meron kayong mga existing licenses kahit sa country ninyo. So I'm sure they're always hiring.